Hello everyone. Today in Sangee's Cookery, we're going to see a very different and an interesting recipe. It is called as the Perendai Thovaiyal. Perendai in English it is called as a welded grape or an adamant creeper, or it's called as a devil's backbone. This looks just like a bone. See, I've just shown you an example of this. See, if you see, this looks like a bone. Needless to say, this is really good for the bones. It strengthens the bones. And it is very rich in vitamin C. And it is extremely good for the ladies, especially during the menstrual cycle, who have excessive bleeding. So this has got a lot of benefits which goes on and on. You can actually Google it and see for. Now let's quickly go into the preparation part. So today I'm going to make Perendai Thovaiyal. For that I've taken the Perendai which is growing in my garden. This is Perendai. This looks like a drumstick. I'll just take this and I'll cut it into pieces and make the Thovaiyal. I've taken two big strands of Perendai or the welded grape, or it's also called as devil's backbone, some 7 to 8 red chilies or according to your spice level, gooseberry size tamarind, handful of curry leaves, 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, 1 handful of small onions, gingery oil required for frying, salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons of chana dal and 2 teaspoons of urad dal. And I've taken the asafoetida. I've taken this in the solid form. If you don't have, you can also use the hing powder. You can also add 3 to 4 Bayadgi red chilies or the Kashmiri red chilies and a small piece of jaggery, which is optional. So this normally you can grow it in the garden and it's just a creeper. It grows very fast. You can always arrange with a green seller. Sometimes he may also get it for you. If you don't apply oil in your hands, then it will start itching. So that is the reason we need to apply oil. First cut it into pieces. Wherever the sharp edges are there, only that particular part has to be taken out like this. Especially if you see, I'm taking the sharp edge part. Remaining you can cut it into pieces and add. Then just chop it into small pieces. So I've cut it into small pieces and kept it ready. Now we have to fry this. Now first, let's start frying every ingredient. You need to fry this nicely until it becomes soft. Now along with this I'll also fry the asafoetida. I have the solid one, so I'm frying now. In case you are using the powder, you can just add it along with grinding the other ingredients. I've been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this stage I'll add some curry leaves. It's been about 3 to 4 minutes that the welded grape or the perendai has been getting cooked, and about 30 seconds I've been sauteing the curry leaves. Now we'll transfer everything into a plate. Now I've added about 1 tablespoon of gingery oil. Let's saute the small onions. Small onions gives you a very good taste. You can add little bit of salt while frying the onions because the onions get cooked faster. This is a small tip. Now you can see the onions have got nicely cooked. We'll transfer this to the plate and you'll be frying the dal. Add the red chilies as well, and you can add nice gooseberry sized lemon. In order to get evenly fried, I just break the pieces of the tamarind. The welded grape or the adamant creeper, it creates a lot of itchiness in the throat. So only if you add tamarind to this, the itchiness will not be there. You can at least add equal size of tamarind to the amount of fried welded grape. Now you can see the dals are almost fried. At this stage, I'll be adding the grated coconut. You can add roughly around 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut. So it's been close to a minute I've been frying. Now we can switch off the gas and add the ingredients which we have fried before and give it a quick stir. And now we're going to grind everything into a coarse paste. I'll be adding some salt in the mixie and I'll be grinding it. Now along with all the fried ingredients, I'm adding this jaggery and I'll grind it and show it. Now I've ground the ingredients into a coarse paste. You can see it is not ground finely. In case if you want to season, you can season with 1 spoon of mustard seeds in gingery oil. Very tasty Perendai Thovaiyal is ready. This can be just mixed up with rice and can be had by adding a little bit of gingery oil or with ghee, or this is a great combination with a molaguttal, and it also serves as a good side dish for chapatis or for idli, dosas. This has got a nice red color because of the Bayadgi red chilies which I've used. But if you do, so I hope all of you will try this recipe, and if you like it, please do not forget to share with your friends and relatives. And if you have still not subscribed, I would request you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.